Guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I am going to take a look at Nano. So this is one of those coins which we have never discussed on this channel. First I'm going to discuss the Nano USD chart, and then we will move to the Nano BTC chart. So this is the Nano USD chart, and this is the monthly view. The chart is fetched from the Binance exchange, as you can see here. So on the monthly, you can see that we are having a V-shaped recovery here, and the next strong resistance is at around $2, and we can also see that we have been able to close above this 20-day moving average. Let me show you in an easy way. I have disabled Ichimoku cloud, so you can see that this white line, this has been acting as resistance from the past many months. I would say since October 2018 we have been under this white line, and for the first time we have been able to close above this line. So this is very bullish for Nano. So the month of August has been brilliant for Nano. We have been able to close above this line, and we are right now hovering around $1.2. This is good for Nano in the long term. So this is a good time to get into Nano if you are a long-term trader. So this is a weekly chart now. Again, we are above this white line, which has been acting as resistance. You can see that it has been acting as resistance, and now we are above it, and we must remain above it to remain bullish. We may come down and test this white line just like this. We touched this white line back in 27 July 2020. That's no problem, but we must close above it. We may go down below it, but we must close above it. By the end of the week, we must close above this white line. So we are doing pretty good. Let me enable the Ichimoku cloud real quick to see where is the immediate resistance and support. So this blue line and red line here will act as support as well as resistance. So if you are under this blue line or this red line, it is going to act as a resistance. But now we are above this line, and it's now going to act as support. So I can very confidently say that $1.13 is now going to act as support. Another thing to keep in mind is if you are able to close above this red cloud here, which I think we will be, then it will also start acting as support instead of resistance. So you can see that this red line acted as resistance here, this outline of this cloud, and when we touch $1.33, immediately got rejected, and we are down to $1.2. and if you're able to close above it, this red line here is now going to act as support. So $1.18 will become the support. The next resistance is at $2. There's not much resistance. You can see that in the past as well. We never had much resistance between the $1.2 and $2. So coast is clear for the Nano. So let's take a look at Nano BTC chart. Again, I'm going to use the Binance chart. Very interesting chart. You can see that we have been able to enter this red cloud, which has acted as resistance in the past. You can see that it acted as resistance and we went below this red cloud, but finally we are inside this cloud and we are above this blue line and red line as well as this white line. Very bullish for Nano. We can have some small corrections here and there, but overall the trend is bullish for Nano. This is great. And the next resistance are 0.00014, then this 0.00198, and then of course this resistance, which is at 0.002159. So you can play around with these levels to increase your Nano holdings if you are into that sort of game. If you want to sell here, you can buy back at lower levels if you are that kind of trader. If you are able to fly past this level, if you touch this level, we will definitely come down to somewhere around this. You can buy back again, you can sell here, buy here again, sell here, then you can increase your holdings very easily. So Nano is looking good. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Let me change the moving average real quick. So this is the daily chart of the Nano, and we are again above this 200-day moving average, which is important when you are taking a look at the daily chart. And you can see that, as I drew earlier, the next resistance is at 0.001469, and we are not that far away from it. You can see that in the past as well. Once we touched this very line, this area 1.0014, we immediately got rejected. We went down. So we have touched this line almost 2 times in the past 1 year or so here, as well as almost here we nearly touched it. And hopefully we will pass through this line because the trend is looking good for Nano. So hopefully we will be able to pass through this line and touch 0.0019, and then we can, you know, hover around in this range for a couple of months or so before breaking to the upside and touch the 0.003592. So that's my final target for this wave, and I think we can touch it. It can take some time. You gotta be patient. You gotta believe in Nano. Nano is a great project. So many little applications are being made using this Nano platform. I love this coin. It has 0 processing fees. The fundamentals are strong, and the technicals are also looking good. So, good time to get into Nano, and hope you like this video. That's all I want from you guys. Just hit the like button to show support, and say subscribe for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and price analysis. Bye bye.